Well, guys and gals, welcome to the video. Welcome to the video. Timothy Thomas here. Hey guys, before we get started, go ahead and smash the like button, hit the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Great things are happening. Make sure we hit that like button, guys. Gals, hit that like button. It will help rank the video higher. And I really would appreciate it. It may give you 10 years of good luck. Great things are happening. Turn your speakers up. We're going to talk about a postcard, folks. I just mailed 10,000 of this postcard. And I'm going to go through a brief presentation of it. We'll go through a longer presentation on another day. I want to go over some advertising resources that we're using, and we're getting excited. Hey, guys, make sure this coming Thursday we get on the Supplement Grid postcard, Supplement Grid opportunity call this Thursday. We got one on Wednesday with the owner of the company. We're going to be on tomorrow with the owner, and then our call, the team call, is going to be Thursday, Super Thursday. Guys, I'm going to go over this postcard. This thing is incredible. I've been talking about this postcard, guys, for over a year and a few months. It continues to work. If you mail it and continue to do it over and over and over again, great things are happening. And I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. Before I go into the meat and the potatoes of this postcard, tell you about the levels of participation. Folks, this postcard goes all the way up to $20,000. Let me say that again. This postcard goes all the way up to $20,000, and it works. And it has worked over and over and over again. Folks, I would encourage you, when you get an opportunity, come over to the channel. And I did a video. Let me see. I did a video. See, let me go back to Scan Digital Wealth Pro. Well, let's key in leverage profit system. Okay, I did a video yesterday. I want you to see that video also when you get an opportunity. Let me find that thing. Click onto this thing. Looked like Ricky Reed put out a video. Big shout out to Ricky Reed down there in Texas. When you get a chance, guys, come back over to the channel and take a look at this video. The leverage prop system, $3,500. Actually, guys, this was well over a $4,000 day. Well over, because other people joined other programs. This stuff is incredible. Let me tell you what. Before I do the review on this program right here, let me show you what makes these programs work. This is what makes them work. Hang on tight. Leads. If you can generate leads on a weekly basis, a few days a week, if you can generate leads, folks, a few days a week on autopilot, set up something that people can come to you. If you can do this a few days a week or a couple days a week, every other day a week, folks, you can make money for the remainder. Let me say that again. If you can generate leads, you can make money for the remainder of your life. There will never, as long as we live on earth, be an endless supply of leads. There will never be enough people to market your opportunity to. It will always be an ever-flowing stream of leads if you continue to send traffic to your websites. This is a vendor, guys. This is a lead vendor that I'm using. Leads by Mountain Marketing. She is the owner of the Mountain Marketing lead program, and she advertised in the Home Business magazine. So you can buy leads here on pill and stick labels. And she also sells mailing labels. I'm not going to go over all that in the video, but she sells labels on pill and stick labels, and you can actually call her. It's very powerful, guys. Very, very powerful. And we'll go over this lead vendor in another video. So mailing labels, 300 mail labels, 600 mail labels. Mailing labels, you can get $1,200, $2,400 for $165. Not a bad deal. Leads, guys. Let's generate leads. Now, also, for those of y'all that have websites, I would encourage you, come over here and see what Matt has to offer. Matt has an incredible way to promote your website, your offer, your link to thousands of pages, 2,000 classified ads, high quality private blogs. Folks, this guy's running traffic for me, and I am constantly getting sales in all of my programs. And we're just at the beginning of where we're going in these businesses. Additional click text ad, high 25 high traffic sites 24/7, giving you the exposure, 1,000 of advertising pages monthly. When you get a chance, listen to this video. I am going to do a whole separate video, and I'm going to dedicate it just to this one vendor. This is incredible to me. You can choose the package, come down, look and see what this has to say, and we'll go from there. Again, like I said, guys, we'll do this another time on another video and another day. Now, guys, also, here are some more lead vendors. Udemy solo ads. I highly recommend these folks here too. You find, guys, the vendor that has a good review, have good reviews, and where they have made sales for the people that they have provided traffic for. And I bought a lot of traffic, folks. I placed over 125 orders. Do you believe? This is how, folks, I'm able to generate $3,500 in one single day. Yeah, I buy traffic like a mad person. I'm not joking, folks. If you buy enough traffic, traffic's what makes all this stuff works. So, and here are my friends over here, guys, also, where they got this other. I showed y'all 3 places to get traffic from, and my old friends down. Oh, look, Greg Buffet. Greg Buffet's got this new program. I mean, this new envelope for us to mail. We're going to talk about that thing in a whole nother video. I got to do a whole video on that one. And my friends, guys, over here at, let me show you. Hang on tight. Pill and Stick Labels from Wilson's List. There we go. Links for all this will be below the video. And Paul will give you 60%, 60 cents back for everything that's returned as undeliverable. Let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video. This postcard, I just mailed 10,000 in Bobby's magazine, and I'm mailing them on a daily basis. You may have received one. If you call and ask me about the program, or you get a hold of me and say, Timothy, how well does it work? It works fantastic. But you do, it's all about what you put in it. If you mail it over and over and over again, I mean, and be consistent, folks, you'll be surprised. I am constantly getting email notifications that I've got another sale in this program. Imagine earning $5,000 or more daily just by mailing this postcard. Can that change your life? The company will contact and close all your sales, folks, as a 50-50 payout. And is it worth it? Absolutely yes. They're closing $1,500 sales for me. They're closing $500 sales, $3,500 sales. They close a $7,500 sale for me. And it is incredible. Now, guys, I'm telling you what, this is working better than some of these crypto programs that people are putting their money into and they're not getting their money back out of. Folks, this right here, nothing on earth works better than a basic program that has a product, a service, and value. The service is the phone line. They can provide, once you join, that phone line is a service. They're going to provide it. The done-for-you sales is a service going to be provided for you. Done for you. All you do is mail. And for the remainder of the life of the program, as the program stands, you will be a member for life with no ongoing fees. Folks, you can join for $500, $1,500. You can join for $35,000, $5,000, $6,500, and $10,000, $15,000, and $20,000. Folks, that's incredible. Let me say that. $500, $1,500, $3,500, $5,000, $6,500, $7,500, $10,000, $15,000, and $20,000. Pause the video and go back. You gotta, and when you call, guys, dial that number, leave that ID number, 4050, and a coach will call you back and get you signed up. Work smart. Allow the company to close all of your sales while you're enjoying your life. I'm in another little program, guys, called Digital Wealth Pro, and it's working fantastic. These programs that are done for you, folks, do not leave them on the table. The system is working for people all over the country. No special skills are needed. All the promotional material is provided for you. Your proven results start receiving $1,750, $3,250 payments immediately. The current members include managers, doctors, construction workers, preachers, engineers, truck drivers, stay-at-home moms, dads, choir members, accountants, plumbers, everyday people. Robert Stock in Danbury, Connecticut said, I've working from home over 20 years. I've never seen anything like this. It's automated. Contacts all of your prospects. Close all of your sales, and you receive the commission checks, folks, to your mailbox day. This is the easiest thing I have ever done. I am telling you what, folks, these programs are on fire. All right, folks. And so, friends, that's my time for today. Hey, guys, get these advertising resources. The links will be below the video. Get traffic to all your sites. Get Matt to place them on thousands of sites for Autopilot. Order you some solo ads, guys. Get leads from Mountaineer Marketing or either Wilson's List, and just drive traffic. Don't focus on people joining all the time. Focus on traffic generation and do it over and over and over again. And folks, you can live that dream. $5,000 daily, folks, is possible. It's possible. Income disclaimer, life, nothing happens until you take action. Folks, how about if you had that, a month of that? Well, my goodness, folks, I had a video, and this video, folks, right here, over $4,000 came in just one day. It's possible. All right, folks, get started. If you want to get started in the system, come down here, get that number, get that ID, call the coaches, and we'll get you started. You'll get a beautiful postcard, and we'll get you off to the races. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.